Welcome back to the Techno Education Academy. In this video lecture, we will discuss about temperature scale. So it is used in day-to-day life, Kelvin scale, centigrade scale and Fahrenheit scale. So how it gets and how it mathematical expression are happen for the relation between the different scales. We will discuss in the today's lecture. Temperature scale. So first of all, temperature is nothing but the degree of hotness and coldness. It is called the temperature of any particular substance or particular body. Measurement of the temperature, it is nothing but the thermometry. It is called the thermometry. It is called the thermometry. It is nothing but the measurement of temperature. Nothing but the measurement of temperature, it is called thermometry. So our topic is temperature scale. First of all, we will discuss about the Celsius. It is denoted by centigrade. Celsius, it is denoted by centigrade. Now we can draw one horizontal line or the scale in which there is a 2 points, starting point and ending point. It means first point is nothing but the melting point of the ice. Point of ice. And here last point is nothing but the boiling point of water. So as the reference point of view, it is 0, it is 100. So it is called the 0 degree Celsius. So it is the melting point of the ice, it is 0 degree Celsius, and boiling point of the water 100 degree Celsius. Similarly, this is a second scale, Fahrenheit. Okay. Likewise, same we can draw one horizontal line in which there is a starting point and ending point. The first point is nothing but the melting point of ice. Or it is nothing but the end point is a boiling point of water. So there is a melting point of ice in the Fahrenheit is nothing but 32 Fahrenheit and boiling point is nothing but 212 Fahrenheit. Because in this case we can take the large scale. Large scale is nothing but we can measure at more places. So it is a large scale according to the Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit gives the large scale compared to the Celsius. Celsius having the difference of hundreds, whereas Fahrenheit having the difference of 180. This is a large scale. Okay. And third one is Kelvin, denoted by capital K, denoted by F. Same, we can draw one horizontal line. Starting point is nothing but melting point of ice, and then it is nothing but ending point is nothing but boiling point of water. So there is a melting point of ice is nothing but the Kelvin. Starting is from 273.15 Kelvin, and here 373.15 Kelvin. So in the same like Celsius scale, 100 difference between the 2 points starting and ending. Now we can make the relation between the Celsius degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. For that purpose, lesson. For that purpose, we can draw one XY axis and plot a as x axis Celsius and y axis Fahrenheit. X axis degree Celsius and there is a y axis Fahrenheit. So here the 32 first point, it is nothing but the Fahrenheit, and there is a last point or boiling point 212 Fahrenheit. First part here is a 0 degree Celsius, it is a degree Celsius, here it is a 100 degree Celsius. So like that we can draw two lines of the different colors, so you can visibility is there. Nothing but we can the first point and this is the second point and draw one line. So this is a relation between the degree Celsius and Fahrenheit in the XY axis in the graph formula, but we can make a formula particular point here. There is a point here, here the coordinates is like that, x and y. So I can write in the mathematical formula like that, x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1. Here we can write that x is the coordinate which can measure the scale, y is also the coordinate we can measure the scale in the Fahrenheit, and x is in the degree Celsius. Degree Celsius it is in the, so we can measure between the relation between the x and y, where x is in the degree centigrade and y is in the Fahrenheit. But here x1 is nothing but 0 degree Celsius, x2 is nothing but 100 degree Celsius, y1 is nothing but y1 is equal to 32 Fahrenheit and y2 is equal to 212 Fahrenheit. Put in this equation number 1 all the values and we can get the relation between the x and y. So x minus 0 or x minus 0 divided by x2 means 100 minus 0, y minus 32 divided by 212 minus 32. So we can like the write the equation like that, x minus 0 divided by 100 is equal to y minus 32 divided by 180. Here x is nothing but the degree centigrade divided by 100 and y is nothing but the Fahrenheit, means f minus 32 divided by 180. So we can like the equation like that. So now we can further common out the 20 from the all the side, so degree centigrade divided by 5. So make the relation 20 into 9 is equal to 180. 32 divided by 20 into 9. So we can get centigrade divided by 5 is nothing but this. Here 20 from all the side we can neglect that. So f by 9 minus 32 by 9. So f minus 32 divided by 9 centigrade divided by 5. This is the relation between centigrade scale and Fahrenheit scale. Now we can make also relationship between the centigrade and Kelvin from our scale. So 0 degree Celsius is nothing but in the Kelvin is 273.15 Kelvin, like that. 100 degrees is nothing but 373.15 Kelvin. So it is nothing but we can add 273.15 in each and every degree Celsius. So we can get Kelvin scale. Okay. You can get in the Kelvin form equation. Okay. So we can add a degree centigrade, any degree centigrade plus 273.15, it converts degree centigrade into the Kelvin. So we can get in the Kelvin form. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe. Okay. Please like and subscribe our channel.